Tiffany Walker had only made 3 car payments on her new SUV, and now it's totaled. She wants Tomball Ford to pay for the damages, but the dealership says it's not responsible either.
This is her vehicle hours after she dropped it off at Tomball Ford for the first oil change and some warranty work. A total loss.
I was shocked. I couldn't believe it. And then I immediately became angry.
Tiffany says Tomball Ford employees told her while their mechanic was driving the vehicle during some repairs, another driver failed to yield the right-of-way, turning left in front of the mechanic, causing him to hit that vehicle. The police report supports that and assigns all blame